Hey guys, today we're going to be reading another ebook. So that means that it's going to be on the computer, so it's not going to be a book that I hold, so you won't see my face while I'm reading it, but you'll still hear my voice. So today's book is all about leaves and why they change to different colors. And you're going to learn a big new science word called chlorophyll. So keep your listening ears on and see if by the end of the story you could tell me what chlorophyll is. Let's get started. Summer Green to Autumn Gold, Uncovering Leaves' Hidden Colors, by the author and illustrator Mia Posada. What kinds of leaves do you see in the summer? Wow, look at all those different leaves. They're all different shapes and sizes, but they have one thing in common. They're actually all the same color. What color are they? They are green. From emerald to jade and every shade in between, your summer leaves fill the world with green. The secret to their green color is found deep inside each leaf. So we're going to learn a big word right now, and it's a science word, and that word is chlorophyll. So if you can see this picture right here, if you looked at a leaf in a microscope and zoomed in really far, that's what you would see. All these little green dots inside are chlorophyll, and chlorophyll is what gives a leaf its green color. Besides making plants green, chlorophyll has a job to do. It helps make food for trees and other green plants. When the sun shines on a plant's leaves, chlorophyll collects some of its energy. It combines that with water and gas to make food. The food helps the plant to grow. So remember, we've talked about those two things before. A tree needs sunlight and water in order to grow. And chlorophyll helps out with that. The green chlorophyll is also hiding something. It covers up other colors inside the leaf. Orange and yellow pigments hide beneath the bright green. All through the warm summer, they wait. So right now, while the leaves on this tree are green, it is summer. Slowly, summer creeps towards fall. The air cools and the nights grow longer. These changes tell trees it is time to get ready for winter. So, who remembers when the leaves start turning from green to colors like this, yellow and orange, what season is it? It is fall. The growing season for trees is over. The leaves stop making food. They don't need the chlorophyll anymore, so it slowly disappears and the green color fades away. Now the hidden yellows and oranges are finally revealed. Some leaves turn fiery red, deep purple, or bright pink. These bright colors form inside the leaf as the weather cools. Other leaves have brown colors hidden inside. As the chlorophyll fades, these leaves turn brown. Many leaves have mixtures of yellow, orange, red, and brown colors. The world is a rainbow of scarlet and orange, burgundy, and gold. Wow, look at that. Remember, this is fall when the leaves are all these colors. Soon, the stems of the leaves start to separate from the tree. The wind blows them loose. They drift to the ground, piling up. I know you guys have seen when the trees start to lose their leaves. We were paying attention to that while we were in school. The fallen leaves feed the forest floor. They break down and become part of the soil. They become food and shelter for insects, snails, and worms. Ooh, insects is actually our next study. You can see one right here. So we'll be learning more about them in a couple weeks. What season is it now? All the trees have lost their leaves. It is winter. The bare trees sleep through the winter. This is their resting time. In spring, fresh leaves sprout from awakening buds, full of chlorophyll and filling the world with green again. So that's what season it is right now. So you'll see the trees that didn't have any leaves on them anymore are starting to grow buds back and turn green again. So keep an eye out for that when you're outside. The end. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that story like we talked about in the beginning. Hopefully you had your listening ears on, and maybe now you can tell me, what color does chlorophyll make the leaves? The answer is green. So chlorophyll is what gives its leaves the green color. All right, so I hope you enjoyed that and learned something new. And we have a color activity for you to do today, and Miss Cronin has a video to show you how to do that. So have fun learning, guys. See you soon.